Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix top filters not showing on your iPhone. Now if you are not being able to find the TikTok filters which you are trying to find on your iPhone but you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data. Now to fix the TikTok filters which is not showing on your iPhone, then there may be the problem of app or you may not be connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data which is available on your device. So after doing that, make sure to open App Store and search TikTok and check if the TikTok app is up to date or not. So the problem may occur if your app is not up to date. So make sure that your app is up to date too. So after doing that, you need to simply click on TikTok and see if there is any update available. So as you can see, there is no update available. That means that you are up to date. So now go on TikTok and click on the plus icon and click on FX, and now you'll see the option like trending tools and various thing on the TikTok effect section. Now you may search the effect if you want to search. So if it is not showing anything like this, then you need to go back to your settings on your iPhone and you need to click on general, and under general you'll see various options, but you need to simply click on iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage you need to scroll down until you see the option of TikTok. Scroll down until you see the option of TikTok, and there you will see the option of offload app. So by offloading TikTok, it will help you to fix the box error which is happening on the TikTok. So click on the option of offload app and click again on reinstall app to reinstall it on a device. So wait for it to get reinstalled. So during that time you may also simply restart your phone, or you may simply restart your Wi-Fi, or you may simply turn off your data and turn it back again to fix the box or error which is happening on your Wi-Fi or your data too. So after reinstalling the TikTok, if you open again and check if the filter is showing or not, so if it's still not working, then you need to simply delete the app from your device. So click on the option of remove app and click on delete app and reinstall the app again to fix it. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you need to simply restart your iPhone to fix the effect not showing on your TikTok. That's how you can fix effects or filter not showing on a TikTok on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.